Today's agenda is the AI transformation from small win to sustainable scale. Let me introduce myself as a speaker. My name is Kenjiro Momi, and I'm an AI transformation expert and founder and CEO of CosBE. CosBE, this is the Silicon Valley-based AI transformation company. We delivers the AI development and AI transformation consulting. We already have more than 50 AI transformation cases in a year. And for me, before CosBE, I was part of Deloitte about 18 years to support more than 1,000 top managements. And then I became president of Toyoko. That was the small company, and I led that company to the global. So I had the experience of the consultant and the president to execute the management transformation. And then I founded CosBE with the AI researchers or AI engineers to support the CEOs transform their business by AI technology. So now, as you know, now it's AI era, and the winner behind this is the question. The United Nations mentions the mind the AI divide. CEPL mentioned the global impact of AI mind the gap. The BCG, the consulting firm, reported the widening AI value gap. The McKinsey also reported the board accelerate how operations leaders are pulling ahead using AI. These reports shows the gaps between the companies who already driven their business transformation by AI, or outside the behind this trend AI era. From our interview to CEOs, for about 1 year, we supported about 100 CEOs. And about the AI tool experience, almost all CEOs are already using AI tools such as ChatGPT. However, the 84% of them are not satisfied about that. That means AI adoption is too weak. So why original AI solution needed? Not all. There are two reasons. One is the AI itself. The AI is usually the statistic models, and also there are many AI tools as a SaaS model. However, the tool solves general issues, not a specific issue. That means it's suit for the general issues that everyone can solve. However, that cannot answer to solve the special issue which is only in your company, or the not scale the differentiation. The differentiation is a very important point of view of the company's competitive advantage. But to strengthen the differentiation, the general tool is not enough. So the AI adoption, but not AI transformation. Just only using a tool is just AI adoption. But the top management needs AI transformation. The AI transformation is AI-driven business transformation. The impact area is one is productivity. You could easily imagine that. And the second, the customer value creation. Using AI tech, the company can create the new value to the customers. And the third is the advancement of the management itself. And the fourth, the new business development. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are not the tech, but the business strategy. So AI transformation is a business strategy. And the AI in action. So especially today is the regards the manufacturing industry. So I've introduced about the manufacturing industry's cases. So CosBE already has lots of cases. So these are the lists we already served to our clients. So we already have lots of cases. In these cases, today I will pick up a few cases. But because of the time limitation, I cannot dive into in detail. So this is only for the introduction. As you can see at the chart, these are the manufacturing operational chart. In this operation flow, there are so many areas which the AI could drive the transformation. For example, the left of the prediction for the demand. Using the prediction, the company can, factory can plan the optimized productive plan or the plan inventory plans optimization. So the prediction is one of the big area that the AI could drive the transformation. And for example, you can see the design, the 3D treatment, or the robot management, the skill transfer, the quality inspection is also the big theme by the AI, or the for the delivery optimization is also the big agenda, and the safety support, preventive maintenance. So in each area, there are so many opportunities to transform the business flow itself using AI. Let me share two cases. One is the 3D simulation before the process, using modeling and reinforcement learning in virtual space before the process. The AI simulate and optimize the process, or based on that simulation, the condition optimization or the machine setting automatically. So this is the one example case. So by that, without the real practical or manufacturing, the factory can simulate and reflect the result or simulate automatically to the process. And the second one, that is the regard the quality inspection. Sometimes the factory try the vision analysis for quality inspection. However, sometimes it's a bit challenging, only the vision analysis to detect every mistake. So in this case, we integrated three AI technologies to inspect the quality. The one is a vision, one is sound, the one is video. So the integration of these three AI technologies, we can achieve the high accuracy quality inspection than only vision version. These are the few samples. But today, I'd like to talk is not the case, but the principles for practical AI transformation. Since this is a management point of view, here's a question. Which case do you prefer? A. Met requirements, failed to solve the issue. B. Did not meet requirements, but solved the issue. I assume there are many of us will prefer the B, solving the issue. At the AI era, it's still cutting edge technologies, updating day by day, and there are few cases. So it's the very flexible situation. In such a flexible situation, in a fast-paced AI transformation, there are empirical strategy needs suit for this situation. That means prioritize the learning from the trial, the real trial, and courses collection over complete planning. Of course, the complete planning is very useful for the stable situation. Plan first in detail and execute that. That is very easy to understand. But the situation is the unclear futures. In these cases, this learning the trial or model is suit rather than the complete planning. The similar thinking in a strategy area, one is the emergent strategy by the Henry Mintzberg, or the lean startup, one of the bibles of the startups like us, or the OODA loop, that is the strategy in the battlefield. All these strategies are based on the empirical strategy. So based on that, here's the AI transformation roadmap. The important thing is the issue clarification. This is the most important. If you miss the issue clarification, the outcome also changes. So the first step, the issue clarification, is very important. And then think about the solution, and based on the solution, to develop the MVP. MVP is the minimum viable product. That means the very small actual AI product, so that you can try that quickly. And then using the practice and the evolution, and the activity expansion. With activity expansion, transformation comes. And in today's webinar, I will introduce one of 4 important principles. There is an issue first. Other than issue first, there's lean and agile, small special AIs, and human in the loop. These 4 principles is very important for the AI transformation. And today, I'd like to introduce about issue first, how important issue first is. Here's the cases we can learn from the cutting edge trial. The Klarna, it's a super major European fintech company, and the 2023 they released that they gained attention for its pioneer AI chatbot. They implemented AI chatbot as a call center, and they said AI chatbot can do the work as a 700% work. So the world surprised about this cutting edge activities. However, this year the CEO of the Klarna announced they restructured the human support. They hired the humans again into their call center. Why it happened was the pay the price of customers' attrition due to AI implementation that sacrifice customers' experience. This means that when they proceeded with the AI chatbot, the customer felt the stress that the customer couldn't solve their problems, and finally they could reach out to human call center, and the customer need to explain the problem again from start. So it bothers the customers, and some customers left. And Klarna noticed that all AI chatbot is not suited for the situation, and they hired the human supporters again. So what can we learn from this case? Was efficiency the only issue? So this is assumptions, but they seem to focus to shift to efficiency instead of the strengthening the customer contact points. So the call center's value was one of the customer's contact points, and they noticed this year, and so they proceeded with that as the hybrid models. What I want to say from this case is that first issue clarification is very important for the AI transformation. Here the issue first, the cases in real case which we done. Starting point is clarify the fundamental business question. What is the issue that needs to be solved? That would be the first question. Then key point is increase the resolution of the issue definition. So too abstract issue is not clear for the approach. Here the cases. The first one, the CEO says the increased profit margin is the issue of our company. But that's too abstract because there are top point of view. So it just breaks down once. The increase order certainly by improving estimation accuracy, the quote accuracy. So because of the quote accuracy, they loses some orders. So they break down the issue increase the accuracy of the estimation, but it's still abstract. So for details just more, there are 2 points. The one is identify the overlooked points and prevent errors. The second issue is free up time spent on simple check tasks, enabling the focus on verifying the complex estimation forecasts. After clarify these 2 specific issues, we address to solve these issues using AI tech, and then finally the outcome was the 75% reduction in estimation errors. So as a result, the accuracy of the estimation increased extremely, and that helped that company to increase the profit itself. So this is the issue first. So first question is very important. Then do not stop the first question. We need to make it in detail so that we can solve that as the real case. And the make it in detail is also the important to match the which AI tech is suited for that issue. By clarifying defining the issue, these following technology layers can be mapped. So here's the 3 layers. The first layer is the fundamental technologies. That's logic or probability or statistics. And layer 2 is the processing domains. Is that related to the language or the sound or the image or the numerical data? And layer 3, there is the application. The automation, robotics, generative AI, or AI agent. So when we can detail the issue, we can combine these 3 layers AI technologies to solve the issue. So the issue first is important. Today I introduce one principle, issue first. There are other principles, lean and agile, small special AIs, human in the loop. If you want to learn more, please refer all these informations. One is an AI transformation video I released about 40 contents in YouTube. But I'm so sorry, this is only in Japanese, so please turn on the subtitle to understand what's in the contents. Or you can also refer to the articles we released. Please check these. Or you can ask to the AI, explain CosBE's AI transformation. AI can explain what we are showing. Here finally about CosBE. We are a global firm founded by top consultants and top AI engineers. Head office located in San Mateo, California, USA. I am the CEO. And our members are working globally. Our point is that one is a management perspective. The second one is a technological capability. We can solve the complex technological challenges. And we have the unique approaches based on our lean and agile. Thank you so much. And welcome for the questions. Please send me an email, message, or you please answer the surveys. I can back your question throughout the surveys. Thank you so much.